What's up, everyone? I am Jamie with 3littlegoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. Glad to see you as always. So I used to do this occasionally on my channel where I would share my income reports with you every month. Summer kicked off and I really didn't film anything over the summer, so some of my ad revenue from my channel and my blogs have kind of dropped as well. But I'm going to share with you anyway. This isn't in no way say, hey, look what I can do, because I don't make a lot of money doing this. Believe it or not, I am not rich. I wish I was rich. If my goats pooped gold, I would be rich. Zena is outside looking at me right now, so that's why. But if you're looking for ways to kind of start making a little bit extra money at home, if you're a stay-at-home mom and you have a craft addict that you want to support, this is kind of a good way to do it, by blogging, by YouTubing, things like that. I have a whole video on ways to make money from home that I will link down below if you want to check out that. But this is August income report. I know it's low for August. I knew it was going to be low for August just because of back to school and everything like that. I've been doing this so long, I kind of know when my income is going to be high and when my income is going to be low. And I knew August was going to be low. I know beginning of September is going to be low. And towards the end of September into October, everything will start to pick back up because advertisers have a bigger budget, which means more advertisement money that I can earn from. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the first way I earn money is through AdSense. I have AdSense on my 3 Little Goats website, and I earn AdSense income from YouTube. Now, my YouTube channel isn't huge. I didn't film through the months of June, July, and August really because life kind of gets in the way. I understand that. It happens to everybody. So with AdSense, I only made $163 for the month of August, which isn't too bad, but we know I gotta boost those numbers and kind of increase my blogging and social media. I haven't really been active on social media either. I really need to get to work is basically what I'm saying. But $163, not too shabby. Mediavine is another like pay per click, pay per impressions company that I use. I make a lot more through Mediavine. And I have that on my other website, someofthisandthat.com, which I haven't posted to in a year, maybe. I don't remember, but it's been a very long time since I've even posted to that blog. But I'm still making money off of it every single month. With Mediavine, if you do have a blog or you're thinking about starting a blog, Mediavine is definitely the way to go because they have a lot higher ad payout for their advertisers. No, their publishers. For their publishers, it's a great company, but if you do start with them, you have to have at least 25,000 page views a month in order to be accepted into the program. With Mediavine, I made $397. Not too shabby for doing absolutely nothing because I haven't posted on there in a long time, like I said, and I definitely haven't been sharing anything to social media. I do have systems set up where I'm automatically pinning my content to Pinterest, but other than that, I haven't really done anything with it. Shh, don't tell them no. All right, my Etsy shop. If you didn't know, I have an Etsy shop. I sell both my goat milk soap there as well as other nerdy inspired soaps that I've 3D designed, casted myself, and use melt and pour with to make all of those soaps. So if you're a big nerd like me, be sure to check it out because it's really cool. I think it's really cool soaps. My Harry Potter soaps are the most popular. With Etsy last month I have everything written down over here, just so you know. With Etsy I made $424 last month with Etsy, and that's after all of my fees and all of my shipping costs have been taken out. That is what I netted off of Etsy as well. I believe I have a little bit of, I've spoken about it in some of my other income / ways to make money videos that I will link down below with Etsy and how to start an Etsy shop without any inventory whatsoever. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check that out as well. And then I am also an Amazon affiliate, which means that when people click on my Amazon link, I earn a small commission off of the things that they purchase. It doesn't cost them anything. They're still paying the regular Amazon prices. I just get a little bit of that sell for me. I don't really promote Amazon that much. I'll have links down in the description box of products I get off of Amazon, but that's pretty much all I do for Amazon. So I only made $25 with Amazon. Never really expecting to make millions off of them. So 25 bucks is not too shabby. It's some soap supplies, so I'm happy with that. So online I made just over $1,000 for the month of August. It was $1,009 and some change roughly. So not too bad for online as well. Now, if you guys have been around for a while, you'll know that we're getting ready to move at the end of the year, which means I have been purging the house, which also means yard sales and selling stuff. So I have sold a lot of stuff that we just haven't been using, we don't need, we're not going to need when we move to Washington State. So I was able to net about $1,500 just from selling stuff around the house. Now, of course, that is way above average from flipping things that I've found at thrift stores and garage sales and reselling them. I've been selling a lot of my stuff, so it was definitely a nice little income boost for us last month because I knew everything else was going to be a little bit low. So total for the month of August, I made $2,500 and $2,509. Yeah, for the month of August, which is nice little extra income that we can put aside for our move. So that is what I have got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week. Hopefully I will be doing these income reports every month. I'm going to try to do them every month, at least up until Christmas time, when things are going to just be a madhouse around here with Christmas and moving. Oh, so fun. So be sure to subscribe for those. And if you haven't checked out any of my previous videos, we do make a lot of soap around here if you are unfamiliar with our channel. So be sure to check out some of our soaping videos, our income reports, our how to make money from home, our Etsy videos. We just do a whole lot of fun stuff around here. It's totally believable, right? It is fun. I enjoy it. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.